Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all the support you guys have given me and my channel. On this adventure, I'm going to take you guys shark cage diving off of Oahu's North Shore. As always, I'm going to give you guys a few tips on starting out your day, what to bring, the pricing, and my overall unbiased opinion of the trip. But before we start, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. Thank you. The drive from Waikiki to the North Shore is about an hour and a half away. Make sure you plan ahead to avoid traffic, so leave early. Also, in case of poor weather, before you leave, we recommend you call a tour company to ensure the tour is still going on. There's going to be plenty of parking, so don't worry. Once you arrive, look for the shuttle, the little hut that says North Shore Shark Adventures. You can't miss it. Moving on to pricing. For adults, getting in the water is $85. And for those just going on for moral support, which is nothing wrong with it, if you're not getting in the water, that's fine, but it's still going to cost you $70. So you might want to think about that. For an extra $15, get in the water. Why not? So now we're going to talk about what to bring and what not to bring. Starting out with the number one thing to bring. I personally wouldn't go anywhere without it, and you want to document everything you do down there, bring a GoPro. I took the 7. Next, if you want to bring your own snorkel set, by all means, go ahead. I took mine, and it's pretty dirty. I haven't cleaned it since the trip, but either way, bring your own. If not, don't worry, they have their own, so they'll supply you with one. So not to worry if you forget yours at home. Do you need fins? No, you don't need them, so don't bring them. You're gonna be in a cage with about 6 or 7 other people. You don't want these, you don't want to be hitting them around, so just don't bring them. Right. Penguin, no need. Towel, definitely bring a towel. And bring a change of clothes just in case. The most important thing you need to bring if you do get seasick very easily, Dramamine. Take it 30 minutes before you head out because it's gonna take a while for it to kick in. And if you start getting seasick and you start popping this in, good luck because it's not gonna work. Once the boat leaves the dock, it's gonna take about 40 minutes to arrive to the cage. As the boat reaches the cage, the boat's gonna have to connect to the cage. You'll be paired off with people in a group. As they call out your group, you'll have about 20 minutes to get in the water and hang out with the sharks.
Oh, get him on there.
This goes without saying, but please don't stick your hands or feet outside the cage.
Goodbye. Later.
Adios.
Mahalo. Thanks for coming on the tour. We'll see you later.
Sharks. Oh my gosh.
This is a young one. There we go. There's a big one. Well, that's
How
more
many
average
feet you
size.
think?
That one's probably 8 feet.
Don't go anywhere, there's more. Check this out. That was amazing.
Thank you.
Loved it.
Saw a lot of sharks?
Yeah.
There's still some here.
I think they appreciated my shark shows. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you guys out deciding whether or not to take the tour. My personal overall experience, it was amazing. Trust me, you're gonna wanna take it. Would I have liked more than 20 minutes on the water? Yes. Of course I would have, but understanding the amount of people that were there and the trip back to the dock, 20 minutes was sufficient enough. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.